Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a Lightning-compatible wallet and funding it with a small on-chain Bitcoin amount so you can test channels. Once done, fund the wallet, confirm the on-chain transaction, and make a backup of your seed phrase. You must decide custodial versus non-custodial now because it changes custody and channel control. Make sure the app is fully updated and synced to avoid unexpected errors. This step reduces risk and prepares you to open your first Lightning channel immediately. Next, open one or more channels to reliable, well-connected nodes and set a capacity that balances spending needs and routing potential. Once a channel is open, watch liquidity. Outbound balance lets you pay, inbound lets you receive, rebalance or open new channels if skewed. Make sure to adjust fee policies for competitiveness. As you gain experience, create multiple channels to diversify routing paths and use automatic rebalance tools or circular payments to move liquidity where you need it. Finally, send small test payments and inspect the route and fees before larger transfers. This confirms channel health and routing. If a payment fails, retry with a different route, increase HTLC timeouts for slow channels, or temporarily raise fees to improve success. If a channel misbehaves, close it cooperatively or force close on-chain and restore from backups if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: keep on-chain funds for dispute resolution and always maintain an up-to-date seed backup for wallet recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.